YouTube, it's Katelyn O'Friel, and in today's episode, I am going to be decorating my tree for Valentine's Day. So this Be Mine, you can see, is actually supposed to be a banner, but I took the string out and kind of just placed them into the tree like so. I thought it looked really cute. I also placed a couple of different cookie cutters that were Valentine's Day themed. And then over here we have a cupcake heart shaped little thingy. I have a bunch of those in the tree as well. Put some pink ribbon and the hearts on top. So I made this decoration. I made a couple of the decorations a couple of years ago. I just always keep them for whenever I want to decorate. This one says, "You're my cup of tea." I think it's so cute. I really love tea, so that was right up my alley, and I put some magnets in there as well. I have magnets for my fridge, but I didn't put them on my fridge this year, so I thought they would look nice on the tree. I kind of just placed them in there. You do have to be careful to place them safely because they might fall, but you're actually supposed to put these on top of cupcakes. I have a bunch of them in the tree, you'll see as well. I just wanted to chime in and say that this year I really wanted to do neutrals and go all out for Valentine's Day, and I didn't really have the money, so I made do with some of the items that I already had lying around the house, and I do keep my decorations each year, so think outside of the box and don't feel obligated to spend any money at all, because you can really make your own arts and crafts and make some of this stuff or use weird items like I did, you know, like cookie cutters and cupcake holders, things like that, and it really just makes a pretty tree, so it doesn't have to be perfect, and I just want to let you know, to keep an open mind with that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be decorating this tree for St. Patrick's Day as well, which I'm super excited about. It's going to be a drunk Christmas tree. So make sure you subscribe so you look out for that as well. See you next time.